Before we can talk about the future of investment arbitration, we need to talk about the origins of investment arbitration. And that was really to ensure an effective means for an affected investor to bring a claim against the host state of an investment without the need to seek diplomatic protection from their home state. This provided access to justice. So now investment arbitration is under the microscope. Why is that the case? It's because of the negotiations of the TTIP treaty between the European Union and the United States. The concerns are not dissimilar to those that occurred during the negotiations for NAFTA. What essentially those concerns are that important decisions affecting public health, taxation, and environment are being decided by faceless lawyers behind closed doors with no democratic accountability and no right of appeal. So how have states responded to these criticisms? Well, they have done so in two ways, substantively and procedurally in their new treaties. With regard to substantive changes, you often now see carve-outs, for example, for environmental measures, tax measures, public health measures. And procedurally, you see in some treaties appeal mechanisms and obligations of transparency to ensure that procedures are open to the public. Something else that we're seeing more and more, and which will definitely form part of the future of investment arbitration, is third-party funding of investment arbitration claims. This permits access to justice for those claimants who would not otherwise be able to get into the system. We think this is something positive. It enables justice to be done in those cases and can also be used by larger companies who decide they want to spend their money on something other than lawyers' fees. These are just some of the challenges and changes that confront investment arbitration in the 21st century. By ensuring a better balance between investor rights and state responsibilities, investment arbitration will survive its growing pains and remain an integral part of the global economic system.